In this video, we will discuss about the El Nino and La Nina effects and how these phenomenon, geographical phenomena, climatological phenomena, affect India and its monsoon. So, as you can see in the first picture, this is the normal condition. So, in the normal condition, the trade wind flows from east to west, and there is a low pressure which is created near the near the eastern Pacific Ocean, like near the western Pacific Ocean, near Australia. And due to the low pressure, the air rises up and there is a good rain in this region in Australia, whereas there is a high pressure created near Peru in South America, and there is an upwelling of sea waters there. So due to the upwelling of sea waters and the low pressure created near South America, that is Peru, and other regions here, other countries here also in South America, there is an upwelling of waters, and due to the upwelling of waters, the nutritious waters comes up onto the sea, onto the above layer of the sea, and then it is a breeding ground for fish. So the South American people benefit from fish farming and all those activities. This is the normal condition. Whereas if you consider La Nina conditions, so we are talking here about La Nina and El Nino. So in this condition, in case of La Nina condition, there is an increased trade wind, that is from east to west. There is a trade wind from east to west. You can see here it is going from South America to Australia, and it will flow all through the equator. So in this, there is the speed of the speed of the trade winds increase. So there is a more intense low pressure develops in this eastern Pacific Ocean near Australia and Southeast Asia, and due to the increased trade winds, and there is more upwelling of seawater near the South America, and so this results in even more stronger monsoon winds in India, and the southwest monsoon is even stronger in case of La Nina condition. But if we go on to the, so we'll again see, this is the normal condition, as you can see here, low pressure near Australia. This is the La Nina condition, even a greater and an even more intense low pressure near Australia, and a high pressure near Peru region and Chile region in South America. And now we will move on to the, so I have explained La Nina, now I will move on to El Nino. So this is the effect of El Nino on weather in Andes. In case of El Nino, the southeast trade winds are either reversed or weakened. So in case of, if the southeast trade winds are reversed or weakened, then it results in weak southwest monsoon in Southeast Asia and India, because the low, as you can see in this image, in case of El Nino, there is a high pressure created near eastern Pacific Ocean, near Southeast Asia and Australia. So if there is a high pressure there, then the low pressure is created near the South American waters, and it results in rain in the South American regions of Peru, Chile, all those regions, and there is no upwelling of warm ocean water or nutritious waters, and that results in no breeding ground for the fishes. So this is the El Nino condition, and due to the El Nino condition, there is weak southwest monsoon in India. So now we have, as we have seen all the three conditions, so we will also look at the benefits of La Nina. So the benefits of, or first we will look at the disadvantages of El Nino. So this is the El Nino weather in Andes, or El Nino weather in Andes, which results in weak southwest monsoon in India. So if there is an El Nino phenomena, then the onset of monsoon in India is delayed, there is drought condition in many regions, and Indian agriculture sector is affected. So almost 40 Indian agriculture sector, almost 45% of the population in India is related to agriculture sector and employment generation. Almost 45% of the employment generation is related to agriculture sector in India. So if there is a delayed monsoon or drought condition, this will affect all the other sectors also related to agriculture, and there is an increased increment in forest fire incidents also due to dry conditions and drought-like conditions. Now we'll move on to La Nina. So when La Nina is there, there is a good monsoon in India, and a strong monsoon, strong southwest monsoon winds. So there are the benefits of La Nina conditions are that the green fodder, crops, grassland productivity increases, and hydroelectric power generation also increases, and due to good rain, as well as agriculture sector is also not affected so it booms. So these are all, this is, so I have explained the La Nina condition as well as the El Nino condition in this video, and I have also explained their disadvantages and advantages. Hope you found this video informational. I will see you in the next video.